Welcome to RT-ELD Plus App Online Tutorial. For Android users, simply download the latest app version, RT-ELD Plus on Google Play Store. Make sure there is a big yellow plus icon on the app logo. For iOS users, please upgrade your device with our ELD specialist first. Then you can download and use the app. Enter your user email and password. If you forget your user email or password, please contact Rolling Trans ELD Specialist at 844-538-7267.
For team driving drivers who share the same login device, please select Team Driver Login.
For drivers who drive alone, please select Login. The info box that just popped up on the screen is the update notice. Press Install to keep the app up to date. The next one is the safety warning about no distracting driving. It will always show up when you log into the app. Only operate the app under a safe condition. Press Agree to proceed. If you have uncertified log from previous days, the app will remind you with this uncertified logs notice. Go to eLogs tab, finish certifying your logs, and you can continue to use the app. If this is your first time using the app, or you have already certified all your logs, you won't see the notice. The last one is the background location disabled notice. It asks your permission for the app to use your location. Press Settings to go to your device setting. Under the app's location setting, select Always. The app will then automatically access the location information each time you use the app. Once the app is properly connected, the ELD signal sign on the top right corner will turn to a green light from a red light. Even if the background location disabled notice doesn't show up on your app, please still check the location access on your device setting when you have connection problems.
There are 4 tabs on the navigation bar of this app: HOS tab, DVIRs tab, eLogs tab, and Menu tab.
The current page is the HOS page, which displays the overview of your working hours in a cycle. On this page, you can see user email and the HOS rule you are currently applying. Below, it shows the remaining hours you still have in a cycle. According to FMCSA, a driver has 14 working hours in one cycle, including 11 driving hours. Also, a driver is required to take a 30-minute break after being on duty for 8 hours, which can be referred to the work shift limit. For example, if it shows 7 hours, 30 minutes, and 8 seconds for driving hours, it means you still have 7.5 hours you can drive in the current cycle. If the time turns to a red negative number, it means you have extended the regulated driving or working hours. To refresh and start a new cycle, you need to take a consecutive 10-hour break, which includes off-duty hours and sleeping berth hours. Be aware the break must be taken 10 hours continuously in order to restart a new cycle. For on-duty cycle hours and on-duty cycle hours tomorrow, you have a total of 70 hours every consecutive 8 days. To start a new cycle for the two, you need to have 24 plus 10 hours, a total of 34 hours rest. Next, click the DVIRs tab to begin the vehicle's inspection. If it is your first time using this app, the page will be blank. Simply click Add icon to start DVIR. The app will ask you whether you are going to use the same vehicle information from yesterday. Select Yes when you are driving the same vehicle as yesterday. Select No when you are driving a different vehicle. Let's select Yes as a demonstration. On the top of the Create DVIR page, it displays your basic information such as company name, DOT number, driver name, and the HOS rule you are currently applying. Scroll down to the Vehicle section. If you choose Yes to use the same information from yesterday, the app will automatically bring up information you entered last time. If you choose No, You will need to select the correct unit number manually to bring up the vehicle information, including vehicle name, body type, terminal time zone from the back-end system. The starting mileage will be detected and entered by the app automatically. For shipping document number, you can use it as your own reminder notice if applicable. It is optional. Below the vehicle section, there is the trailer section. If you have any trailers, click the button to open the trailer menu. Select the correct trailer number and trailer type you are using. If you have more trailers, simply repeat the process that we have just done. After filling out all the required information, tap Create to start doing your vehicle inspection. Here's the vehicle's inspection page. In this process, check and inspect your vehicle to make sure everything is in good condition. Please record the vehicle's condition if you find anything wrong with your vehicle or if you have made any changes. It can serve as your personal reminder. For example, if you find your door handle old and you are planning to replace it next time, tap Door Handles and change the condition to fair, poor, or defected. Then press Save. If you have changed the oil, tap Oil and type Oil Change. Press Save. After you finish the vehicle inspection, click Finish to go on to the trailer inspection. Trailer inspection is pretty much the same as the vehicle inspection. After finishing both vehicle and trailer inspection, click Finish button to go to the E-log page. This page is an overview of your E-log records in 14 days. Rolling Trans app allows drivers to access their logs within 14 days, which is much longer than other ELD apps do. Select today's log to begin E-log. You're going to see two events already shown on the page. The status with the number 0 is your original status extended from yesterday. It always starts at 000000 because the app creates a new log sheet every day at 12 o'clock a.m. For example, if you turn your status to sleep birth as yesterday's last event, you will see the very first status for today's log with the number 0 to be SB sleeping birth as well. The next status with the number 1 will be your actual first active status, and it will be on duty. The on status appears when you start doing the vehicle inspection, because once you start the vehicle inspection, you are starting to work on duty. Besides your current status, the app will also detect your engine hours, engine miles, and current location. To add a new status manually, click Status button and select the correct event type. The app will fill out the required information for you, but if you found any mistakes, press Edit to correct the mistakes. Please check if the event time, engine hours, and location detected by the app are all correct. If the GPS signal is weak, you can fill in the location information yourself instead. Press Save when all the required information is filled out correctly. Here are some examples. Add a new sleeping berth status when you're going to sleep on the truck berth today. Add a new on-duty status when you stop driving but still in work, like delivering packages. Add a new off-duty status when you start your 30-minute break. Once you've completed today's log, always remember to certify your log by clicking Certify button. On the top of the Certify log page, the app will display your driving time, on-duty time, HOS rule, your name, vehicle unit number, and co-driver's name. Make sure the starting mileage, ending mileage, and total mileage are correct. Then press Certify, and then Agree. Finally, you have finished today's e-log. But what if you find some mistakes after certifying the log? Don't worry, you can press Reactivate the log and press Confirm to correct your mistakes. After you have corrected all the mistakes, you still need to certify the log again. Always remember to certify E-log after you end the work for the day. Last, Menu tab. Here's where you can edit your profile, submit E-log, and change settings. In Profile, you will see your company name, DOT number, user email, your first and last name, license issue state, and license number. You can also change your password here. In the inspection mode, you can view your 14 days E-log report by entering the Display HOS Inspection. Select days and odometer unit for your report. Press Create, and here's your log report in detail. You can email your report to others by clicking Mail option. Put the recipient's email address to Email to and press Send. You can also send the report to FMCSA by clicking Submit to FMCSA when they require it. Don't forget to type in the officer's inspection code number in the comment. FMCSA will receive a report right away. The function prevents you from breaking the regulations. This is the end of the RT ELD Plus tutorial video. Like the video and subscribe. We will keep uploading videos about transportation regulation explanations, our product introduction, and much more. If you're interested in the device or still have other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Call us at 844-538-7267 or email us through info@rollingtrans.com. Our ELD specialists are happy to help you.